Luke. Hey, I was trying to show everyone how cute you are in your moose slippers that we got you for Christmas. They crack me up. Here, thank you. Okay, I'll do the car again. You go get it. Long johns today, too. Makes it even funnier. Whoa. We're on our second pajama day with us both being sick. Thank you. You're welcome. Want to go again? Go get your Nebraska truck. Go get it! Crawling like a baby. Thank you. You're hearing lots of thank yous. Ready, set, go!